Today on the Roy Garage, we build the front brakes.
Let's get started.
We're first going to start by making this little small hose right here so we can mount the T. That'll define how we route this line, and then from there we get to go all the way over to the other side. So I think I'm going to do something like that and cut it like right here. Before you forget, those have to go on first. Set the depth to that black piece right there. Tighten her up. Flip over the black piece, put it in. Put your little compressor on there. Then it opens it up. If you guys are curious on what tools we use, check the description below. Links are down there. This is tight, it's compressing, and hopefully that doesn't leak, huh? Find it. See what it looks like down here, huh? Destroy this. I like that right there. Looks good. All right, here's a cool little trick. We're gonna destroy this so we can use it to make our model of how we want our hose to look. So I guess loop that way and then turn down, probably put our residual valve here and then go down and then bend there. Oh, there we go. I want it to, this side to be on one side and then this side to be on like the down side. All right, let's see how that looks, huh? I like it a lot.
I like it a lot.
So now what I want to do is cut it here, put that residual valve, and then we can finish it down here and kind of like that right there, I guess. Yeah. Oh, you almost forgot to put the piece on, Jake. Woo, doggy. Oh man, guys. 95% sure we got to put one of these on first. Now we need to get this to there. I think a bend right here. Don't want to go too far. Yeah, looks really good right there. I think that's good. Wow, that looks awesome. Actually, we got to get you right here. So I'm wondering if we like come straight across here. There, you got it in a good spot? Yep. Got our length. There we go. It's getting real loose. There she goes. Which end is this gonna be now? Let's come look at it. So we get good right here. So now it's just what do we do when we get over here? Oh wow, that's really nice.
Just go right up there.
Yeah. Somewhere up here. We need to bend a little bit that way. Tell me how that looks.
Not bad. I'd say put your fittings on there and let's get it in.
That sounds like a plan to me. All right, ready to put this in? All right. I think that's good there.
You can see it attach right there. Goes through this rail, down, across, right there, over there, and then up.
This is strategically placed here to make it as hard as possible to turn these. What they don't tell you in the installation manual is the good old wrench spin. That's good. Dude. Just like we said at the beginning, we start here, we come down to our T, we go to the left front tire, and then this one goes over the right front. Make sure you like and subscribe so that way you guys get to see these back brakes going.